Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can sign up for the Adidas affiliate program. Now this is very simple and easy to do, so make sure you watch this tutorial right until the end so that you don't miss any steps. So the first thing you will actually want to do is just head over to the Adidas website like I'm on here. And in order to actually access the affiliate portal, we will have to go down to the very bottom of the page. And when we've reached this part here, we just want to look for company info here. And then we just want to go down to where it says affiliate program right here. And just go ahead and click on that. And here we can actually learn a bit about it. So it says, what is the affiliate program? It says, selected websites can earn commission by promoting Adidas products. And they're always looking for new, innovative partners to collaborate with. So how does it work? The first thing you must do is sign up for the affiliate program and get your unique affiliate link to their website. You can then join the specific Adidas campaigns and promote Adidas to your network. You can then receive commission on each sale that is generated through your unique link. So they're looking for people who are passionate about the Adidas brand and lifestyle, love all things centered on sport, fashion and trying new things, have an engaged audience, and are able to drive impact through measurable performance such as traffic, sales, ROI, etc. So what actually are the benefits for Adidas affiliates? You can earn up to 10% commission on all generated sales. You can have a 30-day cookie period. You can have access to Adidas's promotional materials such as generic and campaign-specific banners. You can have access to product feeds. You can get frequent communication on new product releases, offers and commercial campaigns. And you get full access to Partner Eyes to see campaign updates and your own performance insights. So if that sounds like something you do want to apply to, what you want to do is just head down and just look for this apply now button right here. So this is how we can actually apply. Just click this button here and it will open up this new tab. And here's where you can actually sign up for the affiliate program. So the first thing we will actually want to enter is our email. And then we also just want to confirm our email. From there we can make a username. So just put whatever username you like. And then you just want to put in a password. So once you've done that, you'll be on the next section where we have to just put in our address. So for this section, you'll just want to input whatever country you're in. And then from there, you can put in your company address or your just home address. And there's also 3 more address boxes here, but they are optional, so you don't have to put anything in there. And then you just want to enter in your post/zip code. And then you want to just enter in your phone number as well. And then from here, you just want to put in these last options. So for vertical, you just want to put in whatever type of content you make. So under partner type, you want to choose what type of partner you will actually be. So you could be an influencer, for example, or you could just be a brand. Now, since I do YouTube videos, I'm just going to choose content. So from here, you actually just want to put in your website URL. So obviously, you want to get whatever website that you use, or if you do YouTube, you could do YouTube as well. But I'm just putting a YouTube link in. And then from here, you just want to put in your company name. And then once that's all filled out, you can just accept the terms and conditions here. And then click this box to confirm you are a human. And then go ahead and click sign up. Once you've done that, you will receive a verification email. And that will be sent to whatever email you actually used in that form. So once you've received the email, it will look something like this. And there should be a button here that says verify email address. So we can go ahead and click this in order to actually verify our email. And now from here, we'll be able to log into our account and actually access the dashboard. So you just want to put in your username and password and just go ahead and click login. And then from there, you'll be taken to this dashboard here. And here's where we can actually access all our performance and we can see how well the affiliate is actually doing. So now I'm going to run you through all of these sections. So the first one is performance. So here we can see the clicks, which means the amount of people who actually clicked on your link. Then we can see the conversions, which means how many of those clicks actually converted into paid orders. We can then see the order value to see how much people have actually spent on their orders. And then we can also see the click/conversion rate to actually see how many of our clicks turned into conversions. Now down here under payments, we will actually see how much we got available for withdrawal, and we can also see how much is confirmed for payment. And then there's also a few more sections for top 10 campaigns, top 10 products, and invited campaigns. But I currently have none of those because I haven't actually started an affiliate yet. So under campaigns, you can actually manage all your campaigns. So under this section here, you will be able to see all of your campaigns and commissions. Or you can click on this join campaigns section in order to actually join campaigns. Now if we click on tracking here, here's where we can actually create our links in order to actually promote them. So you will first need a campaign in order to create your tracking link. So if we head back over to campaign, you will actually have to go over to this join campaign section, and then you can just choose any of these. You want to make sure that you are in the correct country for where you can promote it. And then if you're sure you are, you can go down to whatever country you're in, tick that, tick this, and then click join selected campaigns. And as you can see, it now says one pending request, so hopefully that does get accepted soon. And then from there, we can go to our tracking section here. We can search the campaign that we just joined. And then we can just put some details in here for our tracking link in order to actually get the tracking link, which we can then use to promote to our audience. So we can then take that link that we generated and then put it on whatever. And then we can put it on our website or put it in our videos. It will depend on how you actually promote your affiliates. But once you do that, you can then start earning your affiliate deals from Adidas. So if we head over to the content tab here we'll be able to see our creative overview. So we're able to see the campaign, the images we're using, the email, the text, all these different things for our creatives. And there's also an analytics tab here, which can be really useful for reading the analytics and learning from it. So obviously you can see the clicks, conversions here. You can see the total order value, and you can also see how much commission you've made, which is nice. And then the final tab over here is the payments tab. So here we can see how much money we've actually made. So here we can see how much money is pending, how much is approved, how much is confirmed, and then how much is available. And if we want to go ahead and withdraw that money, we can go ahead and click this green withdraw button here. And then from here, we can choose our bank account. So obviously I haven't added one yet, but if you have added one, you'll be able to see one here. And also you'll be able to see your balance here, but of course I've just set this up, so I don't actually have one right now. And then from here, you can just click continue, and then you'll be able to withdraw straight into your bank account. So that is exactly how you can sign up for the Adidas affiliate program. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.